Let's learn how you can hide followers from friends on Instagram. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. Now, before we start, I have to tell you that you can't really hide followers from friends, but you can hide from each friend. For example, you can restrict them. And in this tutorial, we will show how to do that. So let us open our Instagram account, go to our profile, and now click on followers. Now you will have to find a person you want to disable from watching your followers. Click on their account, click on three dots, and now this pop-up will appear. You will have to click on this restrict red button at the top. As you can see, set some restrictions on them. It's like half blocking them. Now just click on a blue restrict button and they are gonna be restricted, as you can see here. So that's the only way you can hide something from your friends. There is no other way you can do this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.